You're breaking my freaking heart.
Have you ever wondered what people are capable of doing for their extravagant desires? In today's shocking revelation, we uncovered the astonishing story of an employee who went to the extreme lengths to fulfill their luxury dreams. Brace yourself as we delve into the captivating tale of a daring thief, a lavish Gucci purse, and a brand new car. Get ready to witness the consequences of greed and the depths to which one person would go. Are you ready to uncover the shocking truth?
I would take like little by little and never take huge amounts like this.
You think that much money's gonna go missing and nobody's gonna notice?
On the 6th of June 2021, an unsatisfied proprietor alerted emergency services about a major theft occurrence at her establishment. Upon conducting an examination, it was revealed that an inexplicable sum of $25,000 has gone missing.
There should be 12 $100 bills in there total between the two, and now there's only one $100.
Initially, the identity of the money thief eluded her. Subsequently, her doubts center around a particular staff member. This employee commits acquiring fresh automobiles and frequently displayed brand new Gucci handbags during her weekly shifts.
Sorry, I'm a nervous wreck.
26
I never thought this would happen. It's okay. I treat my
And you got your initials you said on this automobiles?
We have the serial numbers of the other $700 bills. Okay. So, alright.
It's size 2.
I have the register tape too that she pulled it, like the timestamp too.
Okay, you got that on video? Or do you just the tape?
I just have me on video, but not her on video doing it. But I have the time that she went over time.
Yeah, of course. What's your phone number?
Excuse me, ma'am.
917? Okay, perfect. Alright, I'll get some pictures out to you, okay? Alright, perfect. We'll give you a text, okay? I'll try to get them out to you today.
Hello. Hey,
Hi.
how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Castaway Police Department.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm here today is because we got a call in reference to something. I was wondering if we could talk to you for a second. Okay?
Yeah, of course.
Is there somewhere we can talk to her?
If you want to privately, you can just go in the back.
Yeah, you go ahead and show us.
Following a conversation with the store proprietor, the authorities acquired additional insight regarding the robbery. Subsequently, the police proceeded to interrogate the store's suspected employee.
So first question is, can you guess why we're here?
I was accused of stealing money at a party. That was it.
Okay, well. Alright, I'm just going to read this out to you, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop questioning at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand the rights I just read you?
Sure.
Okay, so tell us about something.
I was just looking for a tampon. All I was doing was trying to look for a tampon. I thought I started my period, and I had moved this girl's bag. I only paid her back because I didn't want anything to happen.
Despite the employee's attempt to offer pertinent proof in their favor, the law enforcement officers discerned issues with the evidence provided. Consequently, the policemen commenced a more thorough questioning of the individual in question.
I didn't want it to be put on me because I'm not that kind of person. And the way she was talking to me, like it felt like it was going to be...
Who was the she? Was it your manager or...
a girl at the party that I guess she had messaged me, and she said like, I saw you the one doing that.
Okay. And what's this young lady's name?
I didn't get to know her. I have it on my phone. I can show it to you.
Okay.
I think it started with an A,
Oh.
but she said like either way I'm gonna like put legal.
Okay, and where was this party?
It was at like a New Ways Event Center in Lake Mary.
Like, we appreciate it, but that's not necessarily why we're here today. We're here because you're being accused of theft. However, the theft is not in regards to that party. It's in regards to something that's happened here today.
Okay.
So, you have a manager who advised us that, well, not manager, you have one of your other coworkers who's advised us that they left a certain amount of dollars, very identifying marks on that. And you were the only person in the store.
Once the girl reached a point to where she could no longer fabricate falsehoods, she commenced her confession to the police officer, admitting to having pocketing a mere $300 over the course of 1 year. However, if her claims are indeed valid, let us proceed with the investigation to ascertain the truth.
Okay.
So,
She also has the receipts of the opening of when the drawer was opened, what exact time.
Okay.
where we're at right now is I can't promise you anything, but for me, and I'm sure also for her, same thing, honesty is the best policy. Okay. So, could you tell us anything about that?
I did do it. I'm having some issues with money right now. I just like bought off a new car, so I haven't been working lately. I will admit to that. So
Was it just today, or has it been in the past?
it was today, and then I've done it in the past before, but never like large amounts.
How much did you say?
Probably like
That's why we walked up to the back.
300 maybe was the most beforehand. It's in my bag.
Okay, can I go through that bag?
Yes, sir. It's gonna be in that pocket.
If I'm wasting your time, I don't want to waste it. You guys have better things to do than this stuff. That makes sense?
No, that's stuff, no matter where it's from, man.
Your time is valuable. It's sad.
Alright, do you mind coming over here for me? Just to identify.
That's not my person. Can I take a picture or do you care?
I already have all the pictures. This is going on in the report. Can you identify these bills?
Give me 1 second. Do you see any J's so far?
So I'm going to talk to her and see what she wants to do. Okay. At this moment, like I said, you know, what she's alleging, it's a little bit more than But like I said, for me, honesty is the best policy. Only thing I can do, have you ever been arrested?
No, sir.
So with situations that have happened, especially with things like theft, you know, I can't promise you that, but you don't have a record. So there's no pattern there. Now the situation at Lake Mary, that has nothing to do with us.
Yeah.
We're only here for this to happen today, and the stuff is happening over time. Okay, so like I said, you know, it's not for us to sit up there and be like, hey, you know, you did this, to come in and hammer you about anything like that. No, wrong is wrong. We have to be accountable for it,
Yeah.
right? But it's not a situation where, like I said, it's not foreseeable that you could have a future after this. Okay, so I'm gonna go talk with her, and then I'll be. Because I don't want you to go back in there, and I'll be behind you. And I have to tell you, at this moment, you're being placed in investigative detention. I'm not going to put you in cuffs or nothing like that right now. We'll get to that later, okay?
Following an intimate discussion, the authorities initiated a thorough search of the girl's book bag.
Live supporting documentation.
Can she have a seat for a minute?
Of course.
Can she have a seat?
I have to go back to the door, so just bear with me.
You have your customers and stuff. We'll do our best to keep it quiet, okay? Does this belong to you?
The $5 that was given to me from her.
I owed her money for coffee with 5 singles.
That's not
Let me grab you some pictures.
Yeah. How many did you want to press charges?
Yes, I do.
And
Because I added it up. It's several $1,000s that's been going on. You're breaking my freaking heart. I have the documentation in my car. I wasn't prepared to turn it over because I was trying to rule it out. But I'll show you what I was preparing for my insurance company.
Okay, let's see that.
It's well over what she has here. I was hoping she would show it all, what you took this morning, and you didn't. So, no, I'm
Hey, well, let's
sorry.
make it not contentious. Well, I wouldn't. And where was the other bit?
I told him it was in that back pocket of my bag. Like
Which
that.
one?
The one with the zipper.
Right here?
Yeah.
Is that the rest of it from today, or
Yes, sir.
she put the J in the photograph? Is this all from this business?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna put your keys back in your purse if you don't mind.
Yes, that's fine.
You think that much money's gonna go missing and nobody's gonna notice? I mean, it ain't $20.
Subsequently, the authorities conducted a detailed inquiry of the specific locations from which her employee had pilfered, revealing a staggering sum of $20,000 lost over the course of the previous year.
I'm going to look out my drawer because I can tell you what I had.
Okay.
Alrighty, what's your name?
Yana.
Alright, Yana, do me a favor, stand up. Right now, you're gonna be placed under arrest for theft, okay? Do me a favor, lift your hands up. Do anything. I'm not gonna search you or anything. I'll let them do that at the jail, okay?
1360? Does that sound right?
307-1-1015.
Does that sound right, ma'am? 1360?
I did.
Okay.
So it was only the one time before this? Which took maybe like 300?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was making good money before and I was working a lot more.
So what, she cut your hours or something? Is there a reason why she did it?
To me, I feel like it's because I wasn't doing anything right. So it kind of sucked. But
Okay.
so I'm like going to jail.
because of the amount. When she first called us, she gave us a number, and you would have gotten a notice to appear because you could have gotten. That's our supervisor now. You would have gotten a notice to appear.
Sorry, memory stuff for me. I called them
Let me see that other paper.
You can just look at all of it. You can have it.
And that 22,000 doesn't calculate the 30.
No, because I didn't know she was going to. I actually came in because I was planning on just interviewing her.
Right.
She was not originally who I thought it was going to be. I was very shocked. I got it down to just, I ruled out everybody but her and another girl. Yeah. And I actually just thought it was the other girl, to be honest. I'm not going to lie to you. But now looking at all this evidence and the time clocks when she was here, it all lines up. Makes sense.
Do you recollect any of those things?
Okay. How much do you think you've taken over the years?
It's just this year, by the way.
It's
just this year.
How many?
I didn't keep track.
I mean, you got to have a ballpark in excess of $1,000.
How much was your purse? How much was your car?
So if you don't think you took that much, you got to have a ballpark of how much you do think you took.
I have documentation here to show. I know.
Go ahead and head north. Or can pick this up, send you a picture of it when she's done. That way, it gives her time to.
20. All right.
What side am I going on?
Try to keep you away from, the general public. So, like I said, I talked to her.
We trust that she gained a valuable insight from this experience, preventing her from appearing on a program such as America's Most Wanted.